Yo, what's up fam? Welcome back to Income Zay, where we turn digital gold into real cash. So you want to make a long video story, 30 minutes or more, without breaking the bank? Well, today I've got the perfect solution for you. We're diving into MagicLight.ai, and the best part? It's completely free. Yup, you don't need to spend a dime to make some epic content. So grab your coffee, sit back, and let's make some video magic. Alright, first things first, let's get you set up. Go to MagicLight.ai and you'll find the link in the description below. Click on it and it'll take you right to the site. Once you're there, it's time to create your account. You can sign up using either your Gmail or Discord, super quick and easy. Just choose your preferred method, log in, and boom, you're ready to start creating. MagicLight.ai is an awesome tool that uses AI to help you create long-form video content easily. Whether you're making a story, it's packed with features to guide you through the process. The site's clean, user-friendly interface makes everything smooth, and it's designed to help you craft professional quality videos without any fancy tech skills. On the homepage, you'll see a button that says Create AI Video. Go ahead and click on it. Now that we're all set up, let's get creative and bring in a story. You've got two awesome options here. You can head over to ChatGPT and ask it to generate a story for you. Or if you want to dig deeper, DeepSeek is a great tool too. It lets you explore more detailed content. Alright, so I asked ChatGPT to give me a story about kids on a land and ocean adventure. Here's what I got. Now that we've got our story, we can take it back to MagicLight. Simply copy the story from ChatGPT or wherever you got it and head back to the MagicLight interface. Paste the story right into the script section. Now we're going to choose the video settings. Under Ratio, select Landscape if you're making a long video. But hey, if you want a short video, you can go with that option too. Next up, choose your video language. You can pick any language you prefer for your video. Now for the fun part, style. MagicLight.ai has some amazing styles, and for today I'm going with Disney 3.0 because it adds a cool animated vibe. But feel free to experiment with other styles based on what you're going for. Once you've got your settings all set, hit AI Generate and let the tool work its magic. MagicLight will help you structure it into a full video, making sure everything flows just right. From here, we can tweak the details, add in more sections, or even ask the AI to expand on specific parts. Alright, now we're at the cast section. If you've got a specific character in mind, you can upload it here. But honestly, if you're just starting out or want to keep things simple, I prefer to go with the auto cast option. Just click Next and let MagicLight handle the character selection for you. It'll pick characters that fit your story perfectly. Now, all we have to do is sit back and wait while MagicLight.ai generates the storyboard for us. This usually takes just a few moments. Once it's done, we'll be ready to see the magic unfold and start customizing the final video. Once the storyboard is complete, we're going to animate each scene. Just click on the Animate button for each storyboard section to bring everything to life. You can also change the voiceover to match the tone you want, adjust the music to fit the vibe, and basically tweak anything else to make the video truly yours. Once you're happy with all the changes, go ahead and click on Generate Video. Now, I'm not adding captions for this video, but you can totally customize them or add other features if you want. Once your video is generated, you're almost there. Now, all you need to do is click on Download. And just like that, your video is ready to be saved to your computer or shared wherever you want.
Three friends found a chest. Inside, a rolled-up parchment revealed a treasure map, promising untold riches on a remote island. The map, filled with cryptic symbols, charted a course across land and sea. Their adventure began with a challenging hike across towering cliffs. Their journey marked by the thrill of navigating a rickety rope bridge spanning a deep ravine. At the base of the cliffs, they found an old shipwreck, its weathered planks bearing a cryptic clue. Follow the tide's whisper. Understanding this to mean they should follow the rhythm of the waves. They reached the shore and borrowed a small rowboat from a kindly old fisherman. The ocean voyage started calm, but a sudden storm threatened their quest, tossing their little boat violently. Mateo managed to save the precious map just as the storm broke. As the dark clouds parted, a pod of dolphins appeared, swimming alongside them, seemingly guiding their way. Following the dolphins, they finally reached the island, the jungle dense and mysterious. The X on the map marked a spot near a waterfall, cascading down a rocky cliff face. Behind the waterfall, hidden in a small cave, they found the treasure not gold or jewels, but a collection of ancient artifacts, including a beautifully crafted compass and a journal filled with tales of daring sea adventures. The real treasure, however, was not the artifacts themselves, but the unforgettable journey and the strengthened bond between the three friends. They returned to their town, their hearts filled with the excitement of their adventure and the knowledge that the greatest treasures are often the experiences shared with loved ones.
And that's it, folks. You've just created your very own long-form video with MagicLight.ai, all for free. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss another guide like this. Catch you in the next one.